I liked about the class is it really helped me to learn more about myself and how I view myself as a leader. The emphasis in this class is really on self-reflection and really to look at yourself critically as a leader and to focus on your skills, how you can improve yourself and what you can do in a practical setting to become a more effective leader. So that's really one thing I've appreciated about this class, that it isn't dry. Our professor, which is great, doesn't only focus on the theory, but it's really application-based, so I felt it's really useful, and I know that the things I've learned in this class I'll definitely take with me throughout my career. I would definitely recommend it to others for that particular reason. I really felt like after taking this class, it has really added to my personality, and it's a marketable skill that you have as a student.
This is my 4th semester at TC, and it's definitely, it has been one of my favorite classes I've had so far.
Hi there, my name is Dimitri. My background is in healthcare. I just completed the fall 2013 management skills course. I'll be honest, I was a little ambivalent when I first registered for it, thinking that the skills were going to be esoteric to me. But now in hindsight, reflecting on where I am now and what I thought then, I was proven wrong. That the text was great, lots of examples that I can easily apply to my clinical environment. A lot of theory, surprisingly, because we're so immersed in the practical aspects of the course that the theory just gets hidden in there, and it just synthesizes everything so wonderfully. So I think this is going to be a great way for me to apply these skills in my pedagogy with medical students, in my faculty development initiatives, and in terms of just my own professional development. Great course.
Hi, my name is Kelly. I'm from Adult Learning and Leadership Program. I like this class, building management skills, which I think it's really practical and useful program in terms of professional in being a leader or manager here or in the future. And I think some key elements you can read from the textbook, which you can learn the skills and the updated cases. And also I love some guest speakers who have really solid and interesting cases that we can broad and give us inspiration that how can we put in our daily work and leadership. So I recommend you, if you want to be a leader, to motivate yourself or develop others, then you should take these courses and read the textbook every sentence.
My name is Juan Colon. I'm a first-year doctoral student in the Adult Learning and Leadership Program. I'm also a school teacher in the University of Home Education. What I got out of this class, one thing I learned is that you manage, even though you don't have the role of manager, you manage your time, you manage yourself, you manage relationships, you manage your work, and that's definitely one of my biggest takeaways, my greatest takeaways from this course.
I like a lot of things about this class. Number one is there's a lot of guest speakers, resource speakers from different fields that would share all their experiences when it comes to management, which is really beneficial for us students since we are also working on different fields. And I have learned a lot about leadership, about conflict management, about the theories, the approaches, like the ladder of inference, how to decipher a message and how to filter it. There is an interplay of emotional intelligence here and executive leadership. At the same time, there's also, on the beginning of the course, there's much about self-awareness, because self-awareness is key. Without knowing where you stand or from the benchmark on the competencies, you wouldn't know what are the areas that you need to improve. I also like the part that there's a lot of practical application, like the videos that are inserted in every chapter, because it actually captures what you would really experience in the workplace when you are dealing with conflict, when you are dealing with decision making, when there is a need to impose policies or implement policies. And I think that covers all the essential ingredient that anyone in the middle management, even the associate level, even the senior executives would need to learn, and that cannot be offered when you do it like the training development in a company. You could only get it from Teachers College with management skills course.
J'ai dans la tête trois illusions qui ne se taisent plus.